Today is a little bit of a controversial sushi. It's called Niku-zushi, or just simply meat sushi. This is beef. Put some salt and pepper on both sides, cover it up, let it rest. Now here comes a bit of a difficult part. Make sure that the rice is freshly cooked and add some sushi vinegar. Mix it. Now let the rice rest inside the fridge until it's cold enough to form. Because if the rice is hot, there's a high chance that the rice you mold or shape will fall apart because of the heat from the rice. Now, don't hate me, I like my steak rare. So, I cook it 30 seconds each on both sides on high heat with some butter. And you see me base and shit, you know what I'm saying? So here it is, here's the color, let it rest inside the aluminum foil. This is important, you need this. Prepare a bowl of water mixed with vinegar. With this will help you clean your hands so that your hands won't stick to the rice. Funnel some rice into small balls, dab some wasabi if you want. I forgot to chop the steaks into pieces so that it'll be much easier and more efficient to make the Niku-zushi, but I cut it right now. You see, it's very good. And now you see me there, just do it like this. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's so good. Look at it, it's juicy. I was like, oh man, I can't resist it. It's too good. Like, seriously, look at me. But I recommend the meat that is full of fat and that it's gonna be melting inside your mouth when you cook it. So I do it again. Same stuff, same how you cook it. Put it in the foil, chop it up now, this time, and I do it again. And now this time I'm not using soy sauce. It's nikutare. It's a sauce that's really delicious. It's good for barbecues and stuff. Yeah, it's really versatile. Maybe I'll make a video of it. How to make nikutare or yakinikutare. So yeah, this was Niku-zushi.